Para kami nasa aeroplano. So excited. Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. Good morning! Breakfast time here at Zhuhai. So, masarap ang tulog. Maaga ako nagising before 6 o'clock. Gising na. And now we'll be having an early breakfast kasi papunta na kami ng Guangzhou. So now paalis na kami. We will be riding a taxi going from the hotel going to the train station, and then from Zhuhai we will be going to Guangzhou. So we are inside in the train station, Samjan train station, and it's huge. It's really huge. It's a modern one. So before you can enter, you need to present your China pass, and that's it. Mew!
Good morning!
Mew Mew! So, nakom kami ng Mew Mew.
Sila daw, bakit wala? Sabi ko, lack of communication kayo.
So, nandito na yung mga Mew Mew. Ano ba Mew Mew?
Abel, lupan mo.
Mew Mew!
Lupat mo.
Mew Mew!
Ito, hindi nakakape yan, oh.
Ay, tapos may isang Mew Mew! So, nagwe-welcome to Zhuhai kami.
Uy, papasok sa loob.
Sobrang mukha talaga kami eng-eng.
Mukha kami ka dito, eng-eng.
Tingnan din natin yung sili pinakamareklamo.
Siksik yung isa, eh.
Kakagulo pa. Hindi, ayun. May maingay din doon. Maingay kaya yan.
Opo.
So we're now departing Zhuhai.
Baliktad yung upuan mo.
Now here at Zhongshan railway station. Now it's 33 degrees here. Still inside. Sige. Where are we?
We're here in Guangzhou station.
Kapsado na yung Russell ito. Hoy, may makto.
So, nandito kami sa station and we're just buying tickets for us to go to the Cathedral.
Kompleto? Kuya Chito na sa kapabilisan. Ang dami kumuha doon. Ang shipping. Doon daw po tayo. Doon tayo sa...
Inside the train heading to Guangzhou. 7 more stops to reach our destination. Now we Guangzhou train station heading toward Guangzhou South. So we are now 4 stops train station away from our destination. Really? Hindi pa lang. We will go down on the next stop. So, Binbin Plaza here in Guangzhou.
Toilet pa sa inyo?
Wala. Ano? You look na. Shanjing shop.
Sanji na.
Sanjing. Yung pala yung may-ari. Oh. Dito kami sa Sanjing shop.
Ay, pasok?
So the church is closed now. Is 2:40, but the church is open until 1:30 today. So we missed it. It's unfortunate na sarado, but at the same time, it's also fortunate that we were able to locate the church, the cathedral, and able to see it.
Kaiba yun, oh. Ang dami ng 5 dito, siguro gaganda ng 5.
We're here at the Guangzhou Starbucks. Tawag ng lolo. Sobrang mainit and talagang palis na palis. 50% na lang ang battery capacity ng Lola Miray. At our age, hindi na kami ganun ka. Especially during mainit na weather. Now, is mainit here is 33 to 35 degrees and it's really not suitable for walking, especially with the mid-afternoon. They are just ordering food and I just want cheesecake to boost my energy and juice, maybe mango or orange juice, and that's it. This is the cheesecake and this is the apple juice.
What we can see in the river?
Passengers who are transferring to line 2, please go down along this staircase.
Uwi na kami. We will have our dinner and ride bullet train going back to Hong Kong from Guangzhou. So, napakalaking station at talagang sobrang pagod na ang lolo at ang lola here. But sulit ang aming travel here in Guangzhou and in the Zhuhai escapades ng ating mga travel buddies. So, we are here now at the Guangzhou railway station. Super laki. Napakalaki talaga. And napakaganda. Pauwi na. Are you tired? How about you? Pagod na? Kaya pa? Tired na. Tired? I'm very tired.
Na, lobat na.
Lobat.
Very happy.
It's a great adventure for these 2 days, 1 night. Lola Mirai is really very tired. We are finding food. Maraming pagpipilian but siguro busog na rin ang Lola Mirai, so I ended up here at McDonald's. It's really a very long day for the last 2 days and mga lola. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa Lola Mirai sa ating video for these past 2 days sa ating paglalakbay and hoping na muli samahan niyo ang Lola Mirai sa ating susunod na escapades with Lolo.
Ganun ka kaaway kayo.
Nakaganon kayo! Natatawa ka.
Lobat na. Sobra.
Literally,
But we enjoy a
lobat.
lot. Super. Lalo na sa Cathedral.
bullet train. So, nandito na kami. Sasakay na actually. It's really very nice. Really good. So, we'll be on the number 2. Dito. Number 2. So, bye for now. Guangzhou. See you again next time. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Guangzhou. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you again next time. Bye. Wow. Para kami nasa aeroplano. So excited.
Pogi, thank you.
Sobrang...
So, tiyo kailan mo? Ayan o.
Thank you, Uncle Stephen. Thank mo lang dyan.
Pogi, thank you.
Oh, bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye Guangzhou.
Gusto ko sa time guys eh.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We had fun.
So, bye-bye.
Malamig kasi pagka walang
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.